sir. This is Dynamic Global Enterprises. We are one of the best dealers of plumbing and building materials. We have PVC and PPR pipe.
Okay, let me see the best pipe and this thing you have here.
Okay. As you can see here, we have PVC fittings and we have PPR pipe. Let me show you the best pipe we have here. This is the best pipe we have here. As you can see, you can press it and it will not break. So we are one of the best dealers.
Yeah, okay. So do you people supply this to worldwide?
Yes, worldwide. Just give us your location and we'll bring direct to your site. We are the best in plumbing and building materials.
Wow, that's so lovely. So you people have
at
the best
affordable price.
The best dealers of plumbing and building materials. Dynamic Global Enterprises. Dynamic Global Enterprises. The best dealers of building materials. DJ. Aya Governor Kuka. Odunade, Lagos State, Nigeria. Echobandi na Sofia. Echobandi odogweti malodogo. Uriba gada na koso. Abu munebe na ba. DJ Commodore. Oponi na chino nagi. Chobandi Dynamic Global Enterprises. Okatama na kapu. They have PPR pipe, PVC pipe, DJ. Upon the name of Office, Kaine Kumakapa, and etc. Ipohana 20. Fastest reliable company. Free delivery. And Dynamic Global Enterprises. Odunade plumbing and building materials. Getting dodogo, ndina lono fuma, bega na WC, kaikolo nya WC. Ndodogo, dogo chimalo dogo, ene kumaka. Dynamic Global Enterprises, the best dealers of plumbing and building materials. Odunade International, Coca, Lagos Expressway, DJ. PPR pipe, PVC pipe. Talking about WC and etc. Dynamic
Hello guys, welcome to Dynamic Global Enterprises, the best dealers of plumbing material. We deal in PVC pipe, PPR pipe, all kinds of pipe you need. We have PVC, we have PPR, we have all kinds of pipe. Just what you need to do is to contact us at Instagram, Dynamic Global Enterprises. Follow our page on Facebook, Dynamic Global Enterprises. Follow us on TikTok, Dynamic Global Enterprises 1. In case you don't like the stretch, just call us, we'll bring direct to your site. Visit our shop at Odunade Building Material, Lagos, Kuka, Badagry Way, or call us on this number showing your screen, 08131802631. We are still the best in plumbing material. We will supply you at affordable price. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram. We have all the best pipe you need. In case you don't want to stress yourself, you don't want to waste your time to visit us, just give us your address. We bring direct to your site. We are still the best in plumbing and building material. To follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Thank you guys.